In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily backup messages on an iCloud. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then at the very top, tap at your name to head over to Apple ID settings. Once it is done, tap where it says iCloud, and then tap right over here where it says Show All to see all the apps that are using iCloud. In here, you can easily find messages, and if you tap Add Messages, you will be able to turn on the option which is called Sync this iPhone. When you turn it on, it will sync your messages to iCloud, so you can continue your conversations from all your devices, and also you will be able to recover all your messages history if you, let's say, lost your iPhone. That's all it takes to backup messages on an iCloud, so if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.